Hello, I'm Bernard Hickey from interest.co.nz and welcome to this edition of the Housing Report. Today we look exclusively at a tightening of lending conditions for people trying to get mortgages. We have documents from Westpac, ANZ and GE Money Home Loans showing it's now going to be much tougher for those people who are perhaps a higher credit risk. Perhaps they're trying to get a low documentation loan or they've had some credit problems in the past. They're going to struggle to get any sort of money from the banks to buy property, and in particular they'll struggle to get 100% home loans, which were quite common in the past, it seems. Firstly, we look at documentation from Westpac, which shows that property investors who want to borrow 90% or more of a home loan's value, they can't do that anymore. Anyone who has a credit risk, they also can't get more than 90% home loans. Perhaps they've had a default in their past. ANZ is also saying that it won't lend any more for people wanting 80% or more home loans, those people who have low documentation. It's also saying it won't lend any more to property investors, no more than 90% of the home loan's value. It's also not doing any low doc loans or high loan to valuation loans for people trying to buy lifestyle blocks. And separately, GE Money Home Loans, which is New Zealand's biggest wholesale funder, it lends through the likes of Astron and Cairns Lockheed. It's now only giving out loans to those people on their approved valuations, so it's not taking valuations from small valuers or people that's not approving. It's also not lending anymore on small apartments in the Auckland CBD because of the problems there, and it's not giving out loans to valuations which are older than 3 months. So generally across the market we're seeing a tightening of lending conditions, particularly in the mortgage area where banks and non-bank lenders are worried about the fall in house prices and property prices, an increase in mortgage stress out there as people have to pay more for mortgage rates, food and petrol prices, and so they're generally tightening their ship, particularly to stop people who are seen as a higher credit risk from getting out loans. I'm Bernard Hickey from interest.co.nz. That was the Housing Report.